Hey guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to CutePolish. In today's nail art video, Hannah will be sharing 10 awesome nail hacks that everyone should know. These are some of our favorite nail hacks, and we hope that you guys will try them out and find them helpful. Let us know your favorite nail hack in the comments below. And now, on to the nail hacks.
Hi, it's Hannah, so let's jump right into it. The first hack is for a Vaseline barrier around the nail. All you need is some Vaseline or petroleum jelly and apply it around the nail. You could even use chapstick or Neosporin. This barrier helps protect around the nail if you tend to get polish on your skin. After you're done painting, the excess polish can be easily wiped off. This works great for water marbling too. The next hack will help you stabilize shaky hands. Grab a rubber band and place it around your hands or around your wrists. Then go on and polish like usual. The tension from the band helps reduce shakiness so you can get a cleaner manicure. No cleanup brush? No problem. You can also use an angled eyebrow brush, which works just as good. These brushes have stiffer bristles, which is great for cleaning up around the nail. A lot of people have issues with bubbles in their polish, and a great hack is to roll the bottle between your hands instead of shaking it vigorously. Rolling it will still mix the polish well and help prevent bubbles when applied. Breaking a nail can be awful, but there's an easy way to fix it. Just cut a small piece of paper from a tea bag and apply nail or super glue to where the break is and place the tea bag paper onto the nail. Make sure it dries flat and trim off the excess. Apply another layer of glue on top, and once it has dried, gently buff the area to smooth it out and blend with the rest of the nail. Now you can polish as usual. So now I'll be showing you how to make your own polish remover jar. You will need a small jar and a couple of kitchen sponges. Place the sponges on top of one another and then roll them together. Fit them into the jar as good as you can, then grab some polish remover and carefully pour it into the jar. You want to use a generous amount since the sponges will soak it up easily. Now place your finger between the sponges and twist from side to side until the polish is removed. Make sure to securely tighten the cap to prevent the jar from drying out so you can use it over and over. For this hack, I'll be showing you an alternative to cuticle oil. It's really simple, but I love using grapeseed or olive oil for my cuticles. You can pour a little oil into an empty polish or dropper bottle or just apply it with your finger. It definitely does the job. Another easy hack is to always prep your nails before polishing. You can use a Q-tip or cotton applicator dipped in remover to wipe any dirt or oil from the nail surface. Doing this will help the polish adhere better, which will give you a longer lasting manicure. Have you ever had trouble opening one of your favorite polish bottles? Then this hack is totally for you. Grab a cup of warm water and place the bottle upside down for a minute or so, possibly longer if the bottle is really stuck. The warm water will help loosen the cap, and then you can open the bottle again. The last hack is great if you have a bunch of striping tape rolls. If you love to organize things like me, you can take an empty tape dispenser and place each roll onto it. This makes it easier to store and use. So that's it for this video. If you'd like to see more videos on CutePolish, click these boxes and click this circle here to subscribe to CutePolish for a new video every week. And if you'd like to check out my personal nail channel, click this circle here. Thanks for watching!